Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to do a speed test comparison between OnePlus 5T and the Honor V10. Both these devices are priced very aggressively and you can say that both of them are flagship killers. OnePlus 5T is present on the left hand side and the Honor V10 is present on the right hand side, and it seems that Honor V10 has the lead when it comes to loading first 3 applications and OnePlus 5T is trying to catch up. But when it comes to Monument Valley, it seems that OnePlus 5T loaded up the game quicker as compared to Honor V10 and it's going to take the lead, and it's already loading the Death Trigger 2. OnePlus 5T once again was very quick to open up Death Trigger 2 and now it's opening up the Asphalt Extreme game. OnePlus 5T took around 3 seconds to load up Asphalt Extreme game completely, whereas Honor V10 is still stuck on Asphalt Extreme game and it's loading that game. OnePlus 5T is on the last application right now and it almost completed the test no, it did not yet. It completed the test in 46 seconds, whereas there is one more application to be loaded on the Honor V10. And Honor V10 completes the test in 56 seconds, yes, and Honor V10 for some odd reason did not keep the stopwatch in the memory and it moved to time, and OnePlus 5T had all the applications running in the background obviously because of its 8GB of RAM, and it completed the test in 1 minute and 4 seconds. Honor V10 also has all the applications running in the background and it completed the test in 1 minute and 15 seconds. One of the biggest reasons why OnePlus 5T was quicker as compared to Honor V10 was gaming performance. Honor V10 was little bit slow to load up games and we'll test it once again, and as you can see, Death Trigger 2 was loaded up quickly on the OnePlus 5T as compared to Honor V10. GPU performance on the OnePlus 5T is amazing. Asphalt Extreme game once again was loaded up very quickly as compared to Honor V10. So just to prove that OnePlus 5T is actually quicker as compared to Honor V10 when it comes to gaming, I'm going to load up Asphalt Extreme game once again, and once again OnePlus 5T was quicker as compared to Honor V10. When it comes to normal gaming or day-to-day life performance, both these devices will perform exactly same. As you can see, I'm loading a Play Store application right now and it was loaded up exactly at the same point. Now let's try to unzip a file and let's see which one does it quicker, because this is going to be a CPU intensive task. Let's click on extract, and as you can see, OnePlus 5T did it quicker as compared to Honor V10. So once again, OnePlus 5T won in a round where we had to unzip a zip file, and we are going to do the same test once again. And let's see if Honor V10 can take the lead. No, Honor V10 did not finish faster as compared to OnePlus 5. It's not just about the normal test. When we run benchmarks like Geekbench 4, OnePlus 5T scored much higher in both single core and multi-core performance as compared to Honor V10. 1982 with the single score on the OnePlus 5T against 1901 of the Honor V10. Now let's try another benchmark, which is Antutu Benchmark. I personally do not believe in benchmarks and I believe that real life performance is more important as compared to benchmarks, and both these devices perform extremely good when it comes to real life or day-to-day life performance. But if you are interested in benchmark numbers, then let me tell you that OnePlus 5T once again scored more as compared to Honor V10. OnePlus 5T scored 1,79,000, whereas OnePlus 5T scored 1,79,000, whereas Honor V10 was stuck on 1,70,000. These numbers may vary according to your device, or if you are using the device continuously, or if there are multiple tasks running in the background, you may get a lower score, but I did clear everything in the memory before doing these type of benchmarks. OnePlus 5T is surely the king when it comes to speed tests and it is going to remain one. GPU performance is much better on the OnePlus 5T as compared to Honor V10 when it comes to loading applications or when it comes to loading games. If you want to see a detailed comparison between both these devices, then that will be linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's see if we can reach 5,000 likes on this video. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding this video, then do let me know about that in the comment section box below. I'll try my best to answer your queries. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then click on my face right now and get subscribed, because many more awesome videos like this are going to come real soon on the channel. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.